welcome back to my channel. There's been a lot of changes. As you can see, I changed my channel name and we're gonna get into that a little bit later. But today's video is going to be about how I do my maintenance for my lock extensions. I think ever since the start of this year, I've been maintaining them myself at home instead of going to the stylist. I've been meaning to go to the stylist because it takes me a really long time to do my locks. I know some people can get them done in like an hour, but for me, it takes me about 3 to 4 hours, including washing my hair, deep conditioning, retwisting, and then blow drying. Now I have a at-home hooded dryer because in the beginning I would air dry, but it just took entirely too long for me. So I went and purchased a hooded dryer that I could use to blow dry my hair at home. So for me now, it has been about, I'm not even sure. Okay, I posted my last video I think like 2 months ago, and I did retwist my hair like right after I posted that video. So it's probably been about a month and a half, maybe almost 2 months since the last time I retwist my hair. I'm gonna go ahead and jump into the video and we're gonna go head into the shower and I'm gonna show you my routine for how I do my hair in there. Come on, let's go.
Hey guys, welcome to my shower. Now, when I wash my hair, I like to use some latex or nylon gloves because I always manage to snag hair when I'm washing my hair. So the gloves just prevent me from pulling any of my hair out if I have like a hangnail or a cracked nail or anything like that. So yeah, I don't know how people make these videos because my whole entire bathroom was wet by the end of this. So I used the Design Essentials product line. It includes 2 shampoos and a deep conditioner. I wasn't able to show me using all 3, but I guess you guys get the idea. Just, you know, the normal way you wash your hair. I'm using the oat and protein henna right now in this clip. And as you see, I've mostly focused that in around my actual locks, my natural locks versus the extension in my scalp. And I really just want to scratch that in and scratch off any dirt and grime and sweat that's, you know, built up over the last couple of weeks. Then I just kind of pull the shampoo down my locks and wash the extension that way. But I don't really focus the shampoo on the extension part of my hair. Yeah, I kind of just focus that in, make sure I get my edges clean. I don't really use a lot of gels and stuff around my edges, but I tend to sweat up in there a lot, so gotta really make sure I focus in on that part.
So I finished washing my hair. That was an experience. It always is. It takes me, I go through a 3-step process for washing my hair, and it's the process that my stylist recommends. Hold on, I hope my eyebrows aren't looking crazy because I just got the shower. Anyway, so I use, hold on, sorry, it's my dog. I use 2 shampoos. One's a cleansing shampoo to just cleanse all the dirt and grime, sweat out of my scalp. The second cleanser is a hydrating cleanser. It brings back moisture to the hair after the first shampoo kind of strips some of the moisture out. And then the third thing I use is a deep conditioner, and it has a minty smell, so it always leaves my hair smelling really good and like freshly shampooed when I get done. I really like that minty smell that it leaves. So yeah, that's pretty much my wash routine. And then I like to wrap my hair in a towel. Usually it takes me 2 towels. I have 1 towel to like get most of the moisture and water out. That one gets soaking wet, so then I have to go get another towel and wrap that one around. And then I usually lounge around for like 15 minutes in that towel and just let that towel soak up more of the water that's in my hair, because I still want my locks to be damp, but I don't want them to be soaking wet where it's just water flinging everywhere and super heavy. I don't really want that. I'm getting ready to turn on Netflix because this is going to be like an hour and a half, a 2-hour process. Oh goodness. Okay. I'm going to try to show you some. I'm gonna go ahead and get started on the back because you're not gonna be able to see that anyway. And once I get closer to the side where the the middle of my head, I'll come back and I'll show you guys exactly how I retwist. It's very simple. I pretty much, like, I can't do hair at all. I can't braid. I can barely twist, like 2-strand or 3-strand twist. I can't do any of that. So if I can retwist my own hair, so can you. I do the palm roll method, and yeah, it just takes me a really long time. I'm not exactly sure why, because my sister, she retwists her own hair as well, and she says she gets hers done in like 30 minutes to an hour or so. I'm not sure why after a year retwisting my own hair it still takes me so long, but yeah. So I'm gonna go ahead and watch my Netflix and get started on this head. So oh, this is so good, so close up. Okay, I'm sorry about the camera. It's a little bit close right now and it lagged my eyes, but I just wanted to show you guys a close-up of me retwisting my hair. I've been going at it for like an hour and a half now, so I'm kind of over it. But I've done the side. I'm still working on this side of my head here. I've done the entire back here. You can see that. Hopefully the camera's and you can see the in focus. And then I'm working on the side here. So I'm just gonna give you a quick, just a quick show of how I actually retwist my locks. So yeah, this is a lock right here, and it's a little dry, so I'm gonna spray my blue stuff. So just moisten this area up some. And let's see, where exactly is the part? I look and try to find out where my parts are. I mean, in the back of my head, I can't really see those at all, so I just gotta hope for the best. But in the front, I really want to make sure that my parts are as clean as possible. And I always have some hair, like right here, that just breaks or slips out of the lock, or whatever. So I just gather all that hair together, make sure my part is as clean as possible. I go ahead and apply my gel. I don't use much at all because I have a problem with build up and stuff. There we go. I just go ahead and give my root a twist just to make sure that everything is like in the lock and neat, and then I just twist it down, and then I give it a palm roll. So then this is the lock that I just twisted. Unfortunately, it looks like I missed a little piece of hair because I'm not looking in the camera, or looking in the mirror. But yeah, so just give it a twist. You don't want to twist it too tight because you don't want any issues. And then I go ahead and take one of my clips and then just clip it to 2 locks that's already done. Actually a little bit higher than that.
So I decided to do a voiceover for this part because I just tend to ramble a lot when I'm recording myself on video. So we're just going to do a voiceover so I can get this concise for you guys. It's a couple of things I wanted to address about my channel and the future of my channel and what's been going on and all that kind of stuff. So I'm going to start with my name change. For those of you who may have been here before in the last 6 months or so, my channel went by the name of Melissa Perkins, which is my middle name and last name. I decided to change my name to Nas P, which is, well, my first name is Nasira, so no one's gonna know how to spell that. So just to make it easier on everyone, I just used my nickname, which is Nas. It's short and easy to remember. I decided to change my name because I wanted this channel to be more about me. And even though Melissa is my middle name, I had this whole image in my head of what Melissa Perkins was supposed to be. And Nas P is just going to be me doing things that I enjoy on this channel. Speaking of what I'm going to be doing on this channel, I know a lot of you guys have came within the last year or so because of my lock extension videos, and you guys are really enjoying the content that I've been making with these lock extension videos and giving you guys updates and everything. But I'm lazy when it comes to hair, so I don't have a lot of videos regarding locks to give you. But I do have a few more videos I want to give you guys, and if you have any requests or anything of that nature, definitely leave a comment and let me know, because I'm definitely open to you guys' suggestions. On the other hand, I'm still trying to figure out what type of content that I like to make here on the channel. I started off making beauty videos, but as you can see in this video and my last few videos, I barely ever wear makeup unless it's a special occasion. So makeup wasn't really my forte. Moving forward, I really do enjoy vlogs. Speaking of which, my husband and I will be doing Vlogmas this year, which starts in a couple of days. We're already prepared. We don't have any fancy intro or anything like that for you guys this year, but I'm just excited to make the videos because I wanted to do Vlogmas for a really long time, and this is the perfect opportunity for me to do it because I'm graduating from college with my second degree December, sometimes in December. I don't even know my graduation date, but sometime in December, early December, I'm graduating. My final is December 5th. Then I'm completely done with school. So I'm just gonna have a lot of free time in December. My husband is also gonna have a lot of free time because he has a lot of vacation days saved up. So we're just gonna be enjoying our holiday season together. And we want to share that with you guys and actually participate in Vlogmas this year. So we're really excited for that, and we hope you guys stick around and enjoy Vlogmas with us. Be sure to subscribe so you don't miss those videos that's coming up in the next month. Besides vlogs, with this whole school thing, I've been in school again for the last 2 years, and I've put on a lot of weight. School has been so stressful for me, like so stressful, more stressful than it was the first time I went to college. I'm not sure why I've had such a hard time wanting to quit, and it's been such like a burden on me this time, but I put on a lot of weight, and now since I'm getting ready to graduate, I need to lose it. I'm trying to get back in shape. My husband and I have our 5-year anniversary coming up next year in March, and we want to go on vacation, and I'm trying to be snatched. I already got my bikinis in order, so I want to make sure that I can feel confident when I'm, on the beach, wherever we may be. So I do plan on incorporating a lot of fitness into this channel, just because this is what I'm going to be focusing on for the next few months: getting in shape, losing weight that I've gained from the stress of being in school. So yeah, that's pretty much what's happening over the next few months.
Whew, okay, I am finally done. That took, I don't know if you'll be able to see this, but 2 hours and 50 minutes. Now granted, I did take a couple of breaks in between there, had a little snack, almost gave up, stuff like that, but I got it done. Let's see if I can show you what it looks like now. Hopefully you can see that. I can't really tell what's going on behind me. So yeah, I'm gonna go sit under the dryer now for maybe, my hair is pretty much, it's still damp, but it's a lot drier than it was in the beginning. So maybe 35-45 minutes, and hopefully it'll be dry under the dryer. So I am done. My hair dried. I don't even know. I stopped counting. I just started watching some YouTube. But my hair is done. Oh, did I leave a dent? A little fuzzy, but the roots are done. So I'm gonna take all these clips out now, and then go ahead and put my moisturizer on. I believe I have all the clips out now, so now we're gonna go ahead and spray the Abode sheen that I told you guys about. Oh. I love a good spray moisturizer because it's so easy to put in. But yeah, somehow I still don't moisturize as often as I should. Let's get them edges. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this experience with how I do my hair, how I maintain my hair, my wash process. my retwisting, my blow drying, and then how I moisturize my hair. Sometime in Vlogmas, which is next month, I will be doing my fave lock products, the products that I use to maintain my hair. It's going to include actual hair products and then just tools that I use to help maintain my hair and keep my hair healthy and whatnot. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you guys during Vlogmas.